About this item 1. Input, AC 100-240V, 1.5A 50 to 60 Hz, output, DC 16.5V 3.65A 60W, note, first generation L-tip connector 2. Compatible with MacBook models, fits A1344, A1330, A1342, A1278, A1185, A1184, A1181, A1435. MacBook, late 2009, MacBook, mid 2010, MacBook Pro, 13-inch, mid 2012, MacBook Pro, 13-inch, late 2011, MacBook Pro, 13-inch, early 2011, MacBook Pro, 13-inch, mid 2010, MacBook Pro, 13-inch, mid 2010, MacBook Pro, 13-inch, late 2009. 3. Our SourceNA products can be made smaller without losing performance, so you can put it in your pocket when you are not using it, and you can charge it anytime, anywhere. 4. The extension cords of our products have been tested thousands of times by bending and folding, and they still work well and can be completely trusted. 5. Our customer service is online all day. If you have any questions, you can contact us at any time. We will solve it for you in the first time.